Hey there, welcome along to this very quick review of Connect Machine. Now, Connect Machine is a business card creator and a little bit more than just that. I'm going to show you just the website here so that you can see um, the website. And I'm also going to then run a little video that I have of the Connect Machine running on my computer. So here we have Connect Machine, and as you can see, it says that Connect Machine is beyond the hello. So what does it do? It does a number of things. It creates a digital business card for you. It also allows you to scan other people's business cards and put them into your contacts. And a very interesting thing is adding more information about those contacts. So normally you would pick up a business card and you might forget where you got that business card from, who gave it to you, what you talked about, etc. But with Connect Machine, what you can actually do is you can add in all the notes that you want. So here you'll see examples of the type of cards that you can create, and I'll show you an example of mine. And people can just scan that, and the card comes up like this, and they save the contact, all of the information. Here, point snap saved. This is it. Never forget a conversation again. Okay, record conversations on the spot and attach them so that the concierge here can give you more information. Okay. Now, I don't really have a lot of people that I exchange business cards with, but the testing I've done of this has been really good. So here you see that you have yearly $59 if you want the team. And what's good about the team is you can manage seats and you actually get custom domain support. That's really important. But this one here of 20% off and a yearly is is really, really good. Unlimited card scans, unlimited cards, AI note taker, AI concierge, etc. Okay, so you'll see all the reviews here. Um, I have the team option here. So what I can actually do is I can go in here. I can see how many I've purchased, how many are assigned. And if I go into settings, I can actually have my custom domain here. Now, the way the custom domain will work is when somebody scans, they will actually see that it goes to my website rather than a third-party website, which is the Connect Machine. You can actually set up your card here so that you could actually upload the cover photo, etc. And this is like a template then. But let's have a look and see what the actual, what it looks like in practice. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to stop this share for a moment and I'm going to share a video that I recorded from my iPhone. So let me just go here and this is the screen recording here. So I'm going to just play this and I'll guide you through it. So this is the card that I've created. And you can actually scan this if you wish, and you can get my contact details. By all means, please add me as a contact. And as I go through this, I mean, I can see the contacts that I have here. Okay. If I go through here and I'll just slide across. This is where I would scan somebody's card. Okay. And I could scan a card if I just go back here. I could scan the card and then I could add the person in. Now, the AI concierge is going to look at your calendar, although this didn't work in this demo, but it's going to look at your calendar and it will give you any information that you may have relevant in your calendar. It said I have nothing to do today, which is an absolute lie. I'm chock-a-block, but maybe I just have to re-add because I've been making some changes to the system. So it says no events found. That's okay. And then I can go in here, and if I look at the settings, okay, it tells me that I have the Content Machine Premium. It tells me the accounts that I've connected to. I can invite friends. I can save contact or export contacts. I have webhook integrations and all of the other information there of contacting support. So the card looks like this. If I go into edit, I can edit the logo, the picture. I can edit all of the fields there. I can change my mobile. I can edit the websites. I can add more websites, more social media profiles. I have a custom area to add more about me. And I have a calendar URL as well to be able to get people to book calls with me. So it's super simple to use. And I can archive that card if I want, or I can delete that card. And this is how the card will look when I preview it. Okay, so it looks, I mean, it looks really well. And then if I just save it, it updates the card. And I can just show that to people to get them to scan it. Or what I can actually do here is if I just press play here, um, I can also save this card to my wallet. So my Apple Wallet, for example, or it actually comes up on the home screen as well, depending on how you do it. So if you can see that it comes up on the home screen that people can scan. So the interesting thing is that this software, I think it wins on its simplicity. A simplicity. It's a very simple piece of software to use and really effective because as you go in and as you do different things in and talk to different people, I mean, I can go into my contacts and I can add notes here. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. And I can say where we met and I can also record conversations. So it's like a portable CRM. If you're going to face-to-face meetings, if you're meeting a lot of people, this is definitely something you need in your tech stack. Look in the link, look in the description below for any discount links that may be available. And if you like this video, let me know. And if you need any help, let me know as well. All right. Have a wonderful day. See you very soon.